When looking for a good carpenter, you need to know, are they licensed, bonded, and insured? How long have they been in the business? Can the job be done in a timely manner and with the best workmanship? When you need to hire a carpenter, you will want the best you can find. And we've been in the area for many years with a reputation of fine quality work at a reasonable price. Don't trust the job to the inexperienced. Doing the job yourself could create more problems. So call the company that has some of the best skilled carpenters. We're ready to get your job done large or small. Call today for a no-obligation estimate. We will provide you the figures and estimated time of completion. When you need a large, flexible workforce, you will want to talk to us first. We look forward to serving you and your carpentry needs with a job completed to your specifications. Call us today.